welcome back to my channel. And first off, I'm really sorry that I couldn't upload video. I know it's been like 3 or 4 months that I haven't uploaded any video, so I'm really sorry for that. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in this video, what I'm going to teach you is to display the artwork in now playing screen. So a lot of you have requested this feature, so it's pretty simple. So just go into your now playing screen, and instead of this circle avatar, just display the query artwork widget and pass the ID for the song model, and the type is going to be artwork.audio. Remove const modifier if you have one. Now if you look, then the artwork is being displayed in now playing screen. So what I want is the artwork size to be a little bigger, so I want the height to be 200 for now, and the width to be also 200. I want the fit to be cover, and in case I don't have any artwork, I want to display a music note icon. All right, let's have a look how it looks like. Let me increase the icon size to 200. All right, now as you can see, if we have artwork, then the artwork is being displayed, and if we don't have any artwork, then the music node icon is being displayed. Now I don't know if you guys notice it or not, but the artwork is being flickered every time. This is because of the set state property that we have given to the duration right about here, duration and the position. So this is causing the whole screen that is not constant to be rerun again and again. So the solution that Flutter provided is using a const modifier here, but we can't use a const here because the ID here is dynamic and not static, so we can't fix this using const. So in order to fix this, what we're going to need is state management package that is provided by Flutter. So you can use any state management package you like, such as provider or block. I prefer provider, so just go into pop.dev and search for this provider package. I'll link it in the description below. Add a dependency in popspec.yaml. All right, now after you've added your dependency, create a new directory and create a new class under that directory. I'm going to name it song model provider. Now this song model provider is a class which extends change modifier class provided by provider package. Now so now what I want is I want to store the particular ID in this class. So let me define an variable ID. I'm going to give it an initial value of 0. I want to create a new getter function for this ID, and I want to create a new setter function known as set ID. And after setting the ID, we want to change all our notifiers. So how this works is basically, let's suppose that you click on any of this song, then the ID of this song is going to be saved in this song model provider class, and we're going to watch this ID from now playing screen. So to do that, first off, what we're going to do is you're going to have to extract this query artwork widget to a separate widget. I'm going to name it artwork widget. Now make sure that you add a const modifier before this artwork widget and remove any parameters. All right, now since we don't have access to this widget anymore, we're going to have to access this id variable. So in order to do that, type context dot what's. Now we're going to have to provide the class name, because we're going to tell the provider that from which class that we want to access the id. Just import this library. All right, now next thing that you want to do is after you've clicked any particular song, you want to notify the provider that the id has been set. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is on this on tab function, we are going to notify the provider that the id has been set for song model provider class, and we're going to set the id to item.data.id. all right, now there's one more thing that we need to do, is that going to main.dart, and under this run app, remove this const and add a new widget known as change modifier provider. Now we are going to return the notifier class that we just created, which is song model provider, and under children add your const my app. All right, now let's restart our app and see how it looks like. All right, now if I click on a music that doesn't have any artwork, then we are displaying a music node. Now if I click on the music that has an artwork, you can see that the artwork is not being flickered anymore. This is possible because of state management. All right, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to play multiple songs, which I'm going to upload right after this. So stay tuned. So that's it for this video. Thank you all.